little video for me boys. Hello boys, this is your father. Once uploaded to the internet, will be available for future time, maybe when we are not in the same space and time. Though once viewed, will be in your internal records for viewing as well. And seems as though it be on the internet, maybe some other people who may see it might find it useful as well. But for my sons, it's a little refresher and also an introduction to some other videos I'll do for you on the physical. Because, well, since you've been born, you've always lived with me. Well, one of you is working away at the moment, old enough on his own journey. I've supported you mentally, emotionally, and mentally, right? And physically. Do some videos on some workouts. Come on boys, alright? While you're in a physical place, keep a bit fitter. So remember when you were younger, people said nasty things for your playground at school, life in general. Or you had bad thoughts, bad feelings, alright? Remember what I said? Some people call this your aura, right? But remember how I told you you've got a shield around you. And that shield, sometimes you forget about your shield. It sort of weakens. Your shield needs maintenance, right? Because there's bad thoughts, there, bad feelings. Some people in the world say nasty things, makes you feel bad, right? Remember your shield. Because these bad things, they hit your shield and they just go ping and they bounce off. And then they can't get in. And the more consciously aware you are of your shield, and the more you feel good about your shield, stronger it becomes, until things just don't bother you anymore. Well, they can't get through your shield unless you let them in, unless they're good feelings. And then it just gives you a positive energy that surrounds you. It's a place they call your aura, right? So remember your shield. Simple, boys, right? There's these things. Don't forget your EMP, right? Your electricity. It's your magnet, right? So it's got animal attraction. But for the physical, as you know, I like to work out, right? It's one of the basic sort of things that keeps me feeling like, as well as you boys, and makes me feel like I want to stay in a physical place, actually be here and be part of the place, right? So I've been training for the last 30 years, on and off. I put together 4 workouts and a warm-up that I'm going to video for you so you can view. It'll keep you physically well while you support your emotions and your mental perceptions as well. Alright, so message from Dad is you're doing really well, keep going.